Hello students, today we will start new chapter of bio, that is how do organisms reproduce. So what is the name of this lesson? That is how do organisms reproduce. So before this we should know what is the definition of reproduction and what is the meaning of reproduction. So what is this? The production of new organisms, whether they are plants or animals. So what is this? The production of new organism of same species, whether they are plants or animals. So reproduction is of two types, means there are two methods of reproduction. Number one is asexual reproduction and number two is sexual reproduction. So first of all we should know what is the meaning of asexual reproduction. So asexual means without the involvement of sex cells, means there is no need of sex cells. So in asexual reproduction no sex cells or gametes or reproductive cells are required. But in sexual reproduction require two parents. So in sexual reproduction two parents are required, male as well as the female, and with the help of sex cells. So in sexual reproduction sex cells or gametes are required, but in asexual reproduction no sex cells or gametes are required, and in asexual reproduction single parent or one parent is required. So in asexual reproduction only one parent is required, but in sexual reproduction two parents are required, one is male, another is the female. Asexual reproduction without the involvement of sex cell, but sexual reproduction with the involvement of the sex cells. Now next is there are different methods of asexual reproduction. So first of all we will do the asexual reproduction and we will do this sexual reproduction later. So what is the asexual reproduction? We know, but we now do the different methods of asexual reproduction. Number one is fission, two is budding, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, then vegetative propagation. So first of all we will do the what is the fission. So what is fission? Fission is the method of division of unicellular organism into two or more than two organisms. More than two new organisms. So what is the fission? In this method or in this process, a unicellular organism divides into two or more than two new organisms. So fission is of two types. Number one is binary fission. Number two is multiple fission. So first of all we will do the binary fission. Binary means in binary fission parent organism divides or split into two new organisms. Binary means two, and multiple, multi means many. Mean parent organism divides into many number of or many new organisms. So binary fission takes place in which organisms? Amoeba. Number one is amoeba, then paramecium, etc. But multiple fission takes place in Plasmodium. So what is Plasmodium? It is the malarial parasite. क्या है ये? Malarial parasite, जिससे क्या होता है? मलेरिया.